Hello, I'm Victor Villanueva and I'm a director, filmmaker, and I'm here to share to you my top 5 films of 2024 in 60 seconds. Let's go. Number 5, Tumandok. Very raw, very powerful. As in, these are first time actors and, nakita mo sila on the screen na parang mas patakal na sila ng acting. Grabe. And the next film is Balota. It's a political satire. At the same time, pagka-thriller siya, and one of the best performance ni Marian Rivera. She should do more projects like that. And then next is Friendly Fire. Esports, come on. Esports Barkada movie, diba? Friendly Fire ni Mick Red. And then next is Green Bones. Grabe, as in, hindi ko expect na I was so moved by Green Bones. Nicely crafted, nicely directed, as in, grabe si Zig Dulay. And finally, ang number 1 ko ay I Am Not Big Bird kasi sa akin siya. Panoorin nyo, sexy raunchy comedy na sa Netflix.